Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain two new Microsoft Excel functions. These are import CSV function and import text function. As the function name suggests, this import CSV function is for importing the CSV data directly into Microsoft Excel, and this import text function is to import the text data to Excel. And you can either import the data from your computer's local drive or from the internet location. First of all, let's see import CSV function. Here in desktop, I have this CSV data in notepad document. Let me open this. Here you can see this is the CSV data that has the employee name, designation, joining date and basic salary, and the data is in comma separated format. Every single data is separated with comma. And I want to import this data to Excel. For that, I can use the import CSV function. First of all, copy the file location of this document by right clicking. Then click on copy as path. Go to Microsoft Excel. Here in this cell, press equals, then put here import CSV function. You can double click on the function name to choose. Here in the path parameter, you have to provide the file location. The file location is already copied, so you can simply press Ctrl V to paste the file location. In this security notice, click on paste without active content. If you see in the formula syntax, there are some optional parameters which is not required. You can simply close the bracket, then press enter. And here you can see the data is imported. You can select the columns, then double click to auto fit the column widths. Here you can see the CSV data is imported to Excel by using the import CSV function. Now let's look into another function, that is the import text. This import text function is for the case where the delimiter is different. Like in this case, the delimiter or the separator was comma, but in many cases the separator might be different. Like if you see here in this web page document, here is a data of employee and the separator is the dot. Here you can see every single data is separated with the dot. So in this case, we can use the import text function. Let me show you how we do this. First of all, let me copy this web page URL by selecting this, then copy. Go to Microsoft Excel sheet. And here in this cell, let me press equals, put the import text function. And in the import text function, you can see this delimiter option as well, where you can define what is the separator. First of all, let's put the path by simply pressing Ctrl V. Then click on paste without active content. This is the web page URL. Put a comma, and here in the delimiter you have to provide what is the separator, and in this case the separator is the dot. So go back to Excel and here in the delimiter put a double quotation dot double quotation, close the bracket, then press enter. There is a problem with formula. Let me see what is the problem. Here I have to enclose this website URL inside double quotes. So before this URL, put the double quotation, and after the URL also put the double quotation. Now press enter. In this access web content dialog box, click on the connect button. And here you can see the data is imported. You can simply select the columns, then double click to auto fit. So this is how you can use import CSV and import text function to import the data in Excel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.